Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, we'll see how can we easily earn free Robux on our Roblox account. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now first we go to our browser and go to this website that is named robux.credit, just like that. Once this website loads up, you should get nothing but this screen and this little box where you write your Robux username, so make sure you do that correctly and then you tap on next. Now once you tap on next, your profile should pop up. If this is your profile, just tap on yes, it's me to proceed from here. Now let's not be too greedy in selecting the amount of Robux that we want, and then we tap on confirm. We basically need to confirm or complete 2 of these activities that will be listed right here to have these Robux reach our Roblox account. Now I haven't really tested this myself, but I have seen this method used on YouTube. You can try it for yourself and hopefully you get the free Robux to your account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.